Happiness isn't luck, it's strategy. It's not about what you have, but about what you avoid. Here are 5 stoic rules of happiness. 1. Don't hate anyone. Hate traps you in their story and keeps you from peace. 2. Don't compare yourself. Comparison kills joy. You are not them, and that's your power. 3. Don't worry about the past or future. The mind suffers more in imagination than in reality. 4. Don't expect to get what you give. Give because it's who you are, not because of what you'll get. 5. Don't complain about your difficulties. They are shaping you. Growth is forged, not gifted. And here comes the most important part. Peace is not found. It's chosen. Every day, in every moment, by every response.